So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just these two questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So guys, this video will be about republicanism features, merits and demerits. So in short, stay till the end of this video as we just have these two questions here. Question number 1 here says, a state that is ruled by an elected citizen is A, plutocracy, B, an empire, C, a republic, D, a monarchy. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's republic. So that's a republic here. So the next and last question here is question number 2, which says, a non-monarchical state can best be described as a nation, B, confederation, C, federation, D, republic. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's republic. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.